Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting that has the potential to change the game for anyone looking to build a business in today's fast-paced world. AI automation. I know, AI is everywhere these days, but what if I told you that you could actually tap into this trend and get paid handsomely for it? If you've ever wondered how to turn AI into a business opportunity, you're in for a treat. I recently came across a fascinating concept shared by an AI automation consultant, and it really got me thinking about the future of business and technology. The concept is pretty simple. Find business owners who have money but don't have enough time and show them how AI can save them that precious time. AI automation isn't just some distant futuristic tech, it's already here. And it's already working wonders for businesses all over the globe. And if you can become an expert in implementing this automation, you can charge business owners significant amounts of money to make their lives easier. The consultant talks about how businesses, especially small to medium-sized ones, are increasingly relying on AI to streamline operations, save time, and ultimately increase profits. What's interesting is that AI isn't just for tech companies anymore. Think of all the industries out there that can benefit from AI. Everything from healthcare, coaching, fitness, e-commerce, and much more. If you have a skill for identifying where AI can help, you can provide a valuable service and build a business that's in high demand. Now, you might be wondering, how do you actually land clients who are willing to pay for this service? Well, here's the thing. AI can help you with the marketing too. Imagine AI doing the heavy lifting by reaching out to business owners, evaluating their websites and social media presence, and even drafting personalized emails for you to send. It's almost like having an assistant that works for you 24/7, and all you need to do is implement it. AI does the research, writes the emails, and helps you make the right connections. And here's where it gets really cool. The opportunity is huge. There are millions of business owners out there, and many of them are looking for ways to save time, increase their efficiency, and automate their processes. The consultant shares a personal example of paying someone a pretty hefty amount to set up AI to automate social media tasks for them. This isn't some outlandish claim. It's happening right now, and this consultant is an actual customer of the services they're teaching. That's the power of AI automation. It's saving people time and making them money. But what kind of services should you offer if you decide to dive into this? It all comes down to helping businesses automate time-consuming tasks. A lot of business owners are swamped with handling customer service, keeping up with social media, and responding to leads. By offering AI solutions that handle these things, you're providing a huge value. For example, you could install an AI chatbot on a website that handles customer inquiries around the clock. Or you could set up automated systems for social media, which help businesses engage with their audience without lifting a finger. You could even implement AI-driven sales systems that follow up with leads in a personalized way, ensuring that no opportunity slips through the cracks. The beauty of these services is that once you set them up, they continue to run on their own, bringing in recurring revenue for you and a hassle-free system for your clients. The key here is understanding that this is a long-term business. You're not just helping one business owner once and then moving on. The beauty of AI automation is that it keeps giving. Once you implement the system, businesses will continue to benefit from it, and they'll come back to you for more solutions as their needs grow. And the best part is, these business owners are likely to refer you to their friends and colleagues. As they see the value you've brought, they'll want to spread the word, helping you grow your network without all the cold calling and hard selling. The consultant also points out that you don't need to be a tech genius to get started. You don't need to be coding or doing anything complicated. There are pre-built tools and services you can resell, and you just have to know how to implement them. Plus, the world of AI is advancing so quickly that you don't need to be an expert in everything. The systems are getting smarter and more user-friendly, So as long as you know how to connect the right tools with the right problems, you're good to go. If you're someone who's looking for a way to start a business with minimal upfront investment, this is a fantastic opportunity. You don't need to create a product, and you don't need to invest in inventory or manage a physical location. You just need a solid understanding of AI tools and how they can solve business problems. And as businesses continue to embrace automation, this market will only grow. It's an exciting time to jump in. So, whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time business, AI automation consulting is a path worth considering. The potential for profit is there. And as the consultant mentioned, the earlier you get in, the better. It's not about being the first to the party, but it's definitely about getting in while the market is still fresh and open. In the end, the key takeaway is this: AI is transforming how businesses operate, and if you can learn to harness it, you can build a business that generates passive income and brings real value to your clients. So, if you're ready to take action, start exploring the world of AI automation and see where it takes you. The future is now, and there's no better time to jump in than today. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Catch you in the next one.